Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Kara and this is Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. Today I'm going to be talking to you about what I bought in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. Did you get on this train? I did. I got on this train, but I was supposed to be on a low buy because I bought a real lot from Ulta in December. So I was kind of on a low buy and I tried to make reasonable decisions when it came to what I was going to buy from Ulta, and let's see how I did. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to talk about how I did on my low buy during the 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta that ended a week ago today. It is a Saturday night in Boston. Things are going crazy. The Boston Marathon, it's Boston Marathon weekend. It is nuts here in Boston. I hope you check out some of my videos coming up in the next couple of days. I may post some videos that are marathon related. But we are here to discuss the 21 Days of Beauty. I decided sometime in January, after I had spent approximately $500 in Ulta in December, I decided in January that I was going to try to be on a low buy when it came to beauty and skincare because I already had quite a lot and I wanted to just use the products that I had. So I was on a, can you see the box? I was on a self-imposed, somewhat not very strict low buy. How did it go? I have a whole box of stuff. That's how it went. So I'm just going to show you real quick how it went. Okay, March 17, St. Patrick's Day. What did I get? Nothing. March 18, those colors, Francation palette. Nope, not get that. Cross those up. Here, Mario Badescu scrub. Yes. Mineral Veil by Bare Minerals. I already had that. Maybe this would just be easier to go right through the box. Okay, here are my Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale items. I think every single one of these was 50% off. First up, Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Love this. Did not yet have it. And it is great. It's perfect for people that have pale skin as a contour. And it's matte. And it smells like chocolate. You can't go wrong. Oh, love. Mario Badescu Botanical Exfoliating Scrub. Haven't tried it yet. Looking forward to it. Love Badescu products. I actually didn't do too bad. When I look at the bottom of the box, I didn't really buy that much. So that's good. 2 Anastasia Brow Wizzes. One is in my regular color, which I'm wearing now. This one's medium brown. I bought this as a backup for when my other one runs out. And then this one I bought in chocolate. I think the thing was on the site it described one as medium brown warm and one is medium brown cool. So I bought both of them. Will this chocolate one work out for me? I have no idea, but I have 2 Anastasia Brow Wizzes. Half price! Okay, here is a MAC paint pot. This was from March 20th. I got mine in Painterly. I have this in soft ochre, and the soft ochre is just too much of a yellowy tone for me. I am more of a pink undertone, and this pinky Painterly color is the right shade for my lids before I apply kooky Pure Festival Palette glitters that I got in BoxyCharm. Okay, next up was March 29th. This was the Tarte Tartelette palette, and I love this. I'm wearing it today on my lids, as you can see. I did not have this. This is such a staple that just everyone has. I love it. I love that there are coppery colors in it that I didn't already have. I love that there's shimmers, that there's matte. So I think that the Tarte Toasted palette was a great buy. And then on March 30th, I picked up the Mario Badescu drying lotion. It's the little pink bottle that you use to treat your little breakouts on your face. It works great. I love Mario Badescu. The Mario Badescu drying lotion is really great. If you get a breakout, you just dip a Q-tip straight down into the solution and just dot your face. It's so easy to use, and even if you only get a few breakouts a year, you're going to find that that drying lotion is worth its weight in gold. You might not believe this, but that's the end of my 21 days of beauty buys. But it doesn't end. They also had other items that were on sale during the 21 days. Some of these items were on sale for the entire 21-day period, and the way that I found these was just by going to the sales section at the Ulta website. So I have 3 Body Shop body butters. One is Wild Argan Oil. It turns out to be a little flowery. It's different than the other argan oil creams that I've tried. This is called Satsuma, and it is a citrus fruit, and it's delicious and refreshing. It's so nice. And then this one is just blueberry. Being from New England, where we have blueberries just growing in the wild in some places, I didn't find that this was very strongly scented like blueberries, but I really liked it, so it came home with me. These were a few more items that I found in the sales section at the Ulta website. Here we go, the smallest beauty blenders you've ever seen ever. This is the Original Beauty Blender brand, and these are teeny tiny little beauty blenders that you use around the eye area. I have not used these yet. I pray I don't drop them where my dog would then eat them, but they are not much bigger than my thumb. But at the same time, they'd be great for getting into the corners of your eyes, or even maybe for a tiny bit of cleanup around the eyes when you're doing your foundation or concealer. Also on sale were these velour lashes. They are Luxe Faux Mink lashes. And since my lash game is pretty weak, I decided I needed to get a pair of nice lashes. I went for it, so I have new lashes. And the last item that I bought during the 21 Days of Beauty was this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. These, during the 21 Days of Beauty, were buy one, get one 50% off. The regular price is $4.99, so I think I paid $7.48 for 2 of these. One of these went into my beauty and skincare giveaway box, which is here. And you can enter my beauty and skincare giveaway at the link up above. Just view the video, like, comment, subscribe, and it's a worldwide giveaway, so feel free to enter that. So this is the Essence Lash Princess. The green container is the go-to. The green container is the one that is called False Lash Effect. And I learned about this by watching Tate's videos, and Tate said that this was a fantastic mascara. I like it a lot. I've only used it once, and I used it in a video where I was having a mascara battle between this $4.99 mascara and a $32 Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes mascara. Here's another link, it's right up here. But the results may surprise you. Safe to say that I really like this a lot. Okay guys, so that's everything that I bought in 21 Days of Beauty. Mascara, beauty blender, lashes, 3 of these. And for the official items that were in the catalog, I really just got 2 brow wizzes, 1 Tarte lip palette, the Too Faced milk chocolate, Mario Badescu scrub, and a little tiny little painterly pot by Matt. So no harm done. I didn't break the bank, and I kind of stayed on my low buy. So thanks so much for tuning in and watching this video of my low buy / 21 days of beauty video. And please like, comment, and subscribe. I would appreciate it if you subscribed because I'm a new channel and every subscriber counts and means so much to me. So I hope you're having a great night. I'm having a great weekend here in Boston. It is Boston Marathon weekend. It is crazy all weekend long, and I hope to see you guys really, really soon, okay? So have a good night, and bye.